What's wrong, Pink? You chicken of a little challenge?
No, just afraid of looking like dicks when we turn up. What the fuck?
That was a close one.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. Moron!
I heard about this one guy. This nickel and dime thief.
Show 'em what you made of, Mr. Blue.
As I was saying, this nickel and dime thief had a job in a liquor store cleaning while the manager cashed out. This liquor store was next to the firehouse, and this motherfucker has a brilliant idea. One evening, he lit himself on fire. That's right, set himself on fire. This guy reckons that the manager will run next door. He gives him 5 minutes to put out the fire, grab the cash, and get the fuck out. Unfortunately, this thief is a retarded piece of shit. Out of a whole liquor store, he picks a 20-year fucking bourbon to douse the flames. He went up like a Roman candle. He takes You all finished? He takes himself, the shop, and the fucking firehouse with him.
That's why I only work with professionals. Too many idiots around. Move the fuck back over. What are you, English?
Ho, ho, ho.
Pay some fucking attention, Mr. Blue. Okay, I got one. Last time I was in lockup, there was this crazy prison bitch, Raoul. One day, Raoul's old man found out he'd been cheating on him. This guy comes up to Raoul in the prison canteen and cuts him right across the throat. Raoul was never quiet about anything. Raoul was especially not fucking quiet when he had his throat slit from ear to ear. So this guy is spinning around the canteen wailing. Blood is spraying everywhere. On the tables, on the floor, on the fucking food. No fucker wants to go near this guy. No one knows what kind of infection he's carrying. The blood just wouldn't stop. I swear I've never seen so much fucking blood in my life. There was more blood coming out of his neck than in a whole human body, man. Another guy gets up, real quiet. This guy's as big as a house. No, as big as a fucking apartment block. He grabs Raoul by the throat, wrapping his whole massive hand around his neck, and the big guy tells him he's trying to eat his lunch. You know what? It worked. Raoul's neck just stopped bleeding. It stopped bleeding just like fucking that. The big guy scared his throat into stopping bleeding. You believe that? Raoul fucking survived. Never said another fucking word in his life.
I just love these quiet country drives.